Number 242. One-third of a certain number added to one-fifth of the next consecutive number is 5. What is the sum of the two numbers? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 17, 21, 19, 23, and 20. Okay, so let us form the equation here. So one-third of a certain number added to one-fifth of the next consecutive number is 5. So we have consecutive number. Okay, so let x be the first number. X is the first number, and then the next consecutive number. So the next number is x plus 1 because they are consecutive. Okay? So they are consecutive. So x plus 1 is the second number. Okay? So let's form the equation. One-third of a certain number. So one-third of the first number. So one-third of x, we can write that as one-third of x or simply x over 3. Okay? Added. So the operation is plus added to one-fifth. One-fifth of the next consecutive number. So the next consecutive number is x plus 1. Is, that means equal sign. So is equal to 5. What is the sum? The sum of the two numbers. So we are looking for the sum of the two numbers. So we have x plus 1. Okay? So the first number is x, the second number is x plus 1. So we are looking for this x plus 1. Okay, so first let us solve the value of x. So let's simplify this. So we have denominator of 3 and 5. So we can multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD of 3 and 5. So we just multiply 3 and 5, that is 15. So multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. 3 times 5, 15. Okay? So multiply both sides by 15. So distribute this. 15 times 1/3 x, or 15 divided by 3, that is 5. Times x, so we have 5x plus 15 times 1/5. So just divide 15 divided by 5, that is equal to 3. And then we multiply that to x plus 1. Equals 5 times 15, that is equal to 75. Okay, so simplify, distribute the 3. So we have, just copy 5x plus 3 times x, we have 3x. 3 times 1, we have positive 3 equals 75. Combine the 5x and 3x, so we have 8x plus 3 equals 75. And then put 3 to the other side or simply subtract 3 to both sides. So therefore, we have 8x is equal to 75 minus 3, that is equal to 72. Then last step, divide both sides by 8. So therefore, the value of x is 72 divided by 8, that is equal to 9. Okay? So the first number is 9, therefore the second number, since they are consecutive, the second number is 10. And then if we add this, 9 plus 10, the answer is 19. So therefore, the sum of the two numbers is 19, letter C. Follow me for more content like this.